Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isa Al-Habib. I'm 21 years old from Kuwait, and for the past 3 years of my life, I have been living and studying in Canada as an international student. In the past 3 years of my life, I have developed a passion for traveling, but most importantly, a passion for volunteering, specifically traveling with a purpose. In 2014, I contributed in renovating a primary school on an island in Costa Rica. In 2015, I volunteered in Africa by working on ecological research, wildlife conservation, and teaching kids at a primary school about the importance of our environment. Last winter, I contributed in marine conservation by deploying coral pods in Cambodia. And most importantly, I represented my country. I spent 2 weeks on an island, and due to the limited fresh water supply, I was forced to use buckets for showers and to use the toilets. I also had an amazing time teaching kids English, as well as build water catchments that the locals would use as a method of storing rainwater to use for drinking. Through my travels, I was able to go on adventures. I was able to teach. I got to learn. I got to build friendships. I was able to see the beauty of our planet's wildlife. I learned the difference between being a traveler and a tourist. Yes, tourism can be fun, but traveling is an experience. I learned that when I help someone, I'm actually also helping myself. The Prophet, peace be upon him, has taught us that we cannot be considered believers until we love for our brothers and sisters what we love for ourselves. Volunteering is about leaving a trace and creating an impact that will positively impact someone else's life. People assume traveling requires a lot of money, and if you don't have enough of it, you can't travel. But that's not the case. If you're really passionate about something, you will plan ahead for it, and you will do everything possible to make it work. And that is exactly what I did. Traveling isn't about staying at 5-star hotels and getting the most expensive method of transportation. It is the exact opposite. I learned to immerse myself in different cultures, live in isolated locations, experience how the underprivileged live. And let me tell you this, although we consider the people poor, I consider them the richest. I have never met happier people in my life than the people who live simple lives. They are always smiling and they are satisfied, and that is something we all need to learn from. I learned that the materials we own does not determine how happy we turn out to be. Happiness is about how much we give and not how much we receive. Because at the end of the day, when you travel for a purpose, you are buying yourself a life-changing experience. And that, my friends, is priceless.